learn or not to learn English? That is the question. Honorable judges, fellow Ericanites, ladies and gentlemen, today I would like to share with you some reasons why we should learn English. English is taught as a second language in our school, but because it is not compulsory to pass English in most public examination, many students mistakenly feel that the language is not important. As a result, the standard of English among our people has declined miserably over the years. The lack of proficiency in English is a great handicap for those who want to further their studies overseas in English-speaking countries. Why? Even if you study in local universities, the reference material that you use and the information you seek on the internet are mostly in English. English is the main language of communication in international business and trade. It is only natural that Malaysians who wish to be employed must have good working knowledge of English. Some graduates find it difficult to get jobs in the private sector because of their deplorable English. Many even fail to get through the interview stage because of their poor communication skill. However, the importance of English is not confined to the private sector alone. A good command of the language is essential for government officials in the administrative and diplomatic service too. These officials come into daily contact with foreigners and the business community where the medium of communication is English. If those who represent our country at international meetings are not proficient in English, they will just end up nodding and smiling silently instead of actively participating in the discussion. So, our new government, in acknowledging the importance of English, has announced that all civil servants, especially the high-ranking officers, should seek for an English competency test. Certainly, this initiative is a step in the right direction. However, my humble opinion is that for a really effective result, emphasis on mastering English should be laid at a very young age. English medium school should be reintroduced as we used to have before the 1970s. It is in these schools that students can be exposed to English every day, not only in the classroom but also through interacting with their peers outside. Finally, may I also suggest that a pass in English be made compulsory in all major examinations. So, let's all learn and master English for a brighter future. Thank you.